कॉमस्कोर नुसार आता isakal.com आहे देशातील नंबर 1 ची मराठी न्यूज वेबसाईट। प्रत्येक अपडेटसाठी isakal.com ला नक्की भेट द्या।
अन्न वखदा प्रशासनान बुधवारा सांजेच्या वेळार सांगोळडा ते आसगांव मेरेनच्या 15 हॉटेल आणि रेस्टॉरंटांची पळोवणी केली। जी रेस्टॉरंटां नितळसाण नाशिल्ली तांकां नोटीस काडल्या अशी माहिती अन्न वखदा प्रशासनाचे अधिकारी रिचर्ड नरोना हांणी दिली। ही मोहीम सुरूच उरतली अशें तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगले।
From past 3 weeks, the Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration has started a special surveillance drive in the late evenings, and this is on the restaurants. And we have started off in the Sangolda area, and last 2 weeks we have been carrying out these checks, and mainly around 4 or 5 restaurants we have shut down. That is because their kitchens were unhygienic. And the other restaurants also, wherein we have observed some non-compliances, we have issued them improvement notice. Today from Sangolda we have continued this drive in the Asagaon area, an area which is well known for a lot of high-end restaurants, and checks have been carried out today as well in the Asagaon belt as well. And we have seen that there have been minor non-compliances. Also we have seen that most of the restaurants are operating with a registration certificate, which is only for small hawkers. So we have created awareness that they have to migrate in the proper license category, and notices have been issued to these vendors.
So किती total shop आपण केल्या?
Today 15 premises have been inspected by us, and the 4 that were inspected earlier from Sangolda we have re-inspected. They have not yet complied, they are still closed. They are also well known and high-end restaurants, and we have given them time to comply, failing which cases will be booked. And these drives will continue in all the other areas, especially emphasizing in the beach belt area, to ensure that all the restaurants are giving safe food, and emphasis will also be laid on the water that they are being served, that is having the water filters, which is also mandatory.